Hello folks, this is Ankit Parekh and we are here to start the first lecture of basic mathematics. I have listed out few topics which we are going to cover in all these sessions, right? First, that is trigonometry. We shall start with trigonometry and in upcoming lectures, right, I shall cover this coordinate geometry, algebra, differentiation, integration, maxima and minima, curve, graphs, logarithms and vectors. See, these are very important topics for physics as well as chemistry. In chemistry, only logarithms is used. All other topics are useful for both A group and B group. Okay, so let us start our today's lecture with trigonometry. See, you people are very much familiar with the whole chapter. You have recently studied this chapter in 10th standard. I need to talk about very basic things. First, I'll start with angle. Generally, we symbolize the angle with theta. It could be alpha, beta, anything. Let us start with theta. Okay. Angle is equals to arc upon radius. See, this is completely new for you, I guess. Let us take a center O and I'll consider this line as a radius. This point as A. Generate an arc, say B, arc AB, joining these 2 points O and B. This must be also R. Here some angle is there. Let us name it as theta. This AB is an arc AB. Symbol માં આવી રીતે લખાય છે. Okay, this is arc AB. So I can say theta is equals to arc AB upon R, or arc AB, length of arc AB is R into theta. What is this? R is in radius. Thus R is radius. We can take the unit of radius in meter, centimeter, but theta is your angle. And unit of theta is radian. તમને એમ થશે આ નવું ક્યાંથી આવી ગયું? અત્યાર સુધી તો થીટા અમે ડિગ્રીમાં ભણ્યા છીએ, that degree 30 degree, 20 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, here the theta is angle and radian is called SI unit, System International, that we are going to study in the second chapter of your 11th standard. But this is radian, which is unit of theta, and I'll explain you how to convert radian to theta and radian to degree and degree to radian. I should say units of theta. Just making a list: degree, minute and second. રેડિયન સુધી તો ઠીક હતું, મિનિટ અને સેકન્ડ તો ટાઈમના યુનિટ છે, એટલું તો અમને ખબર પડે એવું તમે મને કહેશો. I agree with you, minutes and second are unit of time, but here minutes and second are unit of theta also, angles. I'll explain in detail how to convert these units. Okay, so first of all you must know this: angle is equals to arc upon radius, length of arc upon radius, you will get theta. Okay, or arc is equals to r into theta. Just write it down, all these things, so we can move further. I am not going to wait, right? You pause the button and then take a screenshot, write it down and then move further. So I'm going to erase this. Okay. अपन जमा दिए. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ने रखिए, बॉक्स કરી દઈએ. ઓકે, ફાઇન. જો તમે વાત કરી મેં તમને રેડિયનની, 30 degree હોય, આ theta જ છે. If theta is 30 degree, degree to radian conversion સમજાવું છું તમને. જુઓ, degree to radian conversion 30 degree, you just multiply pi upon 180 with it. It converts into radian. RAD is the symbol of radian. Theta is equals to 0 0 cut pi by 6 radian. Simple. As we know, we can write pi is equals to 3.14. અહીંયા નથી લખવાનું. This unit is in radian. હવે જુઓ, suppose theta is 60 degree. બહુ ઈઝી છે ભાઈ, ખાલી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો પાઈ બાય 180. ડિગ્રીમાંથી શેમાં કન્વર્ટ થઈ ગયું? પાઈ બાય 3 રેડિયન. theta is what? pi by 3 radian. Okay, now what I am going to explain the unit of about the unit of radian, that if your theta is in degree, just multiply pi by 180, convert it into radian. Simple. Okay, remember this. તો હવે મને કહો, રેડિયન ટુ ડિગ્રીમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવું હોય તો કાંઈ અઘરું નથી. રેડિયન ટુ ડિગ્રી, this is degree to radian. Now radian to degree, very simple. Radian multiply 180 by pi, you will get your answer in degree. Fine. Suppose હું તમને આપું છું theta is say 2 pi radian. Okay, multiply 180 by pi. 2 pi into 180 upon pi. Your answer is 360 degree. The answer is what? 360 degree. Okay, આ 360 degree ઉપરથી એક વસ્તુ યાદ આવી મને. You know this circle? Okay, this circle is called unit circle. Here, point O. If you complete this whole angle, it will become a 360 degree. Now, one more. If theta is say pi by 4 radian. Okay, I want to convert it from radian to degree. So, very easy. If you want to convert it from degree to radian, pi by 180, radian to degree, or you can say radian to degree 180 upon pi. 180 upon pi. Okay, now pi cut, and 180 upon 4, 45 degree. Okay, so this is simple conversion, degree to radian, radian to degree. Now onwards, at many places you will find the unit of theta is radian. Degree also, it is unit of angle only. But in so many numericals, in so many questions, in so many data, you will find that angle of this are angles are denoted by radian. The unit is radian, so you must know this. Now, moving to the next topic. All units of angle. Okay, જોઈએ. Radian, degree, minute, second. Right? Radian to degree 180 upon pi. 1 degree is 60 minutes. So into 60. 1 minute is 60 seconds into 60. You will get your answer in second. Now how to convert second to minute? 1 upon 60, minute to degree, 1 upon 60, and degree to radian. pi by 180. Let me just take an example of it. Say your theta is 2 pi by 3 radian. Okay? Say your theta is 2 pi by 3 radian. Now I need to convert it from radian to degree. So theta is equals to 2 pi by 3 into 180 upon pi. Your answer is in degree. Pi and pi cut. 3 6 are 60 to the 120 degree. This is your answer. Okay. Now 1 degree is 60 minutes. So if you want to convert degree into minute, multiply by 60. Theta is 120 into 60. This dash. 1 dash is symbol of minute. This dot is symbol of degree, same as 1 dash is symbol of minute. So 72, 12 6 are 72, 0 0 minute. This is in minute, in degree. And last, again, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So theta is equals to 7200 into 60 double dash. 1, 2 and 3 zeros. Okay, 6 2s are 12 and 6 7s are 42, 43 double dash. This is your answer in second. Okay, so I have converted all the units like radian to degree, degree to minute, minute to second. Now how to convert second to minute, minute to degree, degree to radian? Suppose your theta is say 3600 seconds. Double dashes of second, okay? Second no unit છે દર વખતે હું નહીં લખું અત્યારે લખું છું first time છે એટલે. Now how to convert this second to minute? Divide by 1 upon 60. 3600 into 1 upon 60 dash. Double dash to single dash. This is in minute. Theta. So 60 minute. Now again 1 upon 60 minute to degree. 60 into 1 upon 60 degree. So theta is 1 degree. Okay. Now degree to radian. 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. 1 into pi by 180 radian. Your answer is pi by 180 radian theta. તો નવું કાંઈ નથી કરાયું એવું ખાસ, ખાલી મેં તમને એંગલના અલગ અલગ યુનિટ્સ કીધા. તમે વિચારો લેન્થના યુનિટ્સ છે કે નહીં, કિલોમીટર છે, મીટર છે, માઇલ છે, રાઈટ? એવી રીતે અત્યારે જે આપણે કર્યું, these are units of various units of angle theta, that radian, degree, minute, second. You just go through it, how to convert from radian to degree, degree to minute, minute to second, second to minute, minute to degree, degree to radian. Okay. Let me take one more example. Say theta is equals to 40 degree and I want to convert it into radian. So 40 into pi by 180, I'll cut 0 0. This is 4 pi by 18, or you can write 2 pi by 9 radian. Very simple. Understood or not? Okay. Few more questions I'll give you in homework, so it's better you practice at your place and submit it as soon as possible. Okay, so now homework for this topic, this is theta 30 degree, 18 degree, theta 20 degree, theta 49 degree, 68 degree. Convert it into radian, minutes, and second. Okay, follow this whole procedure so you can get how to do the homework. Fine. Now the next thing which I want to explain, that is Pythagoras theorem and trigonometric ratios. Okay, ચલો આ રબ કરી દઉં છું હું. જોઈએ, જુઓ, પાયથાગોરસ થિયરમ બધાને આવડતો હોય. For a right angle triangle, this is 90 degrees, say this triangle is ABC. તમે એમ કહેશો સર આવું શું કરાવો છો ટાઈમ પાસ, પણ કરી લેવું પડે, ભલે ભાઈ કોઈને ન આવડતું હોય તો. AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square, or you can say AC is equals to under root AB square plus BC square, where B is the right angle. This side is opposite side, this side is adjacent side, this side is hypotenuse. Okay, you better know this. Now what are the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta? Sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, right? Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan theta, this tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent. For this triangle, you can say this opposite side, say y, adjacent side x, and hypotenuse is h. So opposite side is, this is sin theta is y by h, x by h, and y by x. Very easy. From sin cos tan, you can say cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Cosec theta is what? 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, and this is 1 upon tan theta. Exactly reciprocals of these. H upon y, h upon x, x upon y. Okay. Now, few basic things, few basic rules which you have studied in 10th standard. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. Sec square theta plus cosec, sec square theta minus cot square theta is, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. ચલો આ તો તમને ખબર હતી. મારે જે છે એ આજે બીજી ત્રણ નવી ફોર્મ્યુલા કરાવી છે. કઈ? તો કે sin 2 theta is 2 into sin theta cos theta. Okay, you need to remember this formula. આપણે પ્રૂવ કરી દઈએ. પ્રૂફ. ઓકે, એક કામ કરીએ, થીટા ને 30 લઈ લઈએ. Say theta is 30 degree. Theta suppose 30 degree હોય તો શું થશે વિચારો કે RHS, sorry LHS, sin 2 into 30, it is sin 60. sin 60 ની વેલ્યુ યાદ હશે તમને. ઓકે, it's √3/2. હવે RHS ચેક કરો. 2 into sin theta into cos theta, 2 into sin 30 into cos 30. The answer is 2 into 1/2 into √3/2. Your answer is √3/2. See, LHS is equals to RHS. તમારે કોઈ પ્રૂફ યાદ રાખવાની કે પ્રૂવ કરવાની જરૂરત જ નથી. તમારે ખાલી યાદ રાખવાનું છે sin 2 theta is 2 into sin theta into cos theta. આ તો તમને ખબર જ હતી. ઓકે, ચાલો પોઝ કરી અને લખી લેજો. હવે જુઓ, few more formula. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, Again, take theta is 30. Your LHS cos 2 into 30, which is cos 60. What is cos 60? Root 3 by 2. And here, cos 60 1 by 2. And here, cos square theta, RHS. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. What is cos square 30 minus sin square 30? This is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 30 1 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. And this is 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 upon 4, which is 2 by 4, 1 by 2. So LHS, RHS same આવી ગયા. So this formula is correct. Okay. Again, prove કરવાની કોઈ જરૂરત જ નથી રહેતી. ફોર્મ્યુલાનું લિસ્ટ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે આપણી માટે. ઓકે. સો હવેની જે હું ફોર્મ્યુલા લખું છું એ પ્રૂવ નથી કરતો. તમે એવું માનજો કે હું જે ફોર્મ્યુલા લખું છું એ ખોટી નથી, સાચી છે. Cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta is also can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. Now for this, sin A plus B is sin A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, then sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B plus or the minus sin A sin B, and cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, so આટલી જે મેથ્સની ફોર્મ્યુલા છે, I suggest you write these formula 5 times, right? હોમવર્ક માટે હું નથી કહેતો, પણ આ તમને યાદ રહી જશે તો ફ્યુચરમાં ગમે તે જગ્યાએ તમારે યુઝ કરવાની આવે તો તમને આવડે. એ ગ્રુપના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને તો આખા ચેપ્ટર્સ જ ભણવાના આવશે એટલે એને યાદ રહી જ જવાની છે. બટ આઈ સજેસ્ટ બી ગ્રુપ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કે તમે જે છે એ ફિઝિક્સ સિવાય ઓર બેઝિક મેથેમેટિક્સ સિવાય આ બધી ફોર્મ્યુલા ફ્યુચરમાં ફરીથી ભણવાની નહીં આવે. જ્યારે પણ તમારે કરવું હશે ત્યારે તમે રિવાઇઝ કરી શકો છો. બીજું, હું એક PDF શેર કરું છું નીચે લિંકમાં, જે ડાઉનલોડ કરીને એમાં તમને બધા જ નેસેસરી ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રીની ફોર્મ્યુલા જે છે એ મળી જશે. રાઈટ, તો આટલું આજના લેક્ચર માટે કરી રાખો. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં વી શેલ સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ યુનિટ સર્કલ. આપણને ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રીમાં હાર્ડલી 3 or 4 લેક્ચર્સ થશે, બરાબર. પછી આપણે આગળના ટોપિક ઉપર સ્વિચ ઓવર કરશું. તો થેન્ક્સ ફોર લિસનિંગ મી. ઇફ એની ક્વેરીઝ યુ કેન કોન્ટેક્ટ મી. This is Ankit Parekh. Right now I'm signing off. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.